Hello everyone, so now we're going to be opening the last two, which is the Shiro model over here, as well as the Zui model over here. So the Shiro one over here is made by Good Smile Company, which, as you saw from the previous video, made the two Nendroids. And then the Zui one is made by Phat. So I've never really heard of this company until I actually looked it up, and they make quite a few models, and I really like the look of this one. But as usual, we're gonna start with the smaller one. It's nice and pink on the inside. I assume that this is gonna be a lot easier to put together compared to like the Nendroids, since this one is like a static piece. Oh, okay guys. So you saw that, you see all this plastic around Shiro? You just pull it, okay? I was scared shitless because I thought I would break her, but it's not that bad. You use like medium force. I don't even know if that makes any sense to you. So you have to find like the right angle, and then you kind of like shimmy it out, and then it just slides out. And that's how I've been doing it. I don't know if this is right or not, but shimmying it out seems to work very well. So that was scary. That was very scary. But so next time, if you guys needed to take off the plastic there, just like wiggle it or just shimmy it and just kind of go slow, left, right, while pulling and doing that. And it comes out perfectly fine. And yeah, there's no plastic left anywhere. And yeah, she's glorious. And voila! This is it. This is Shiro in all her glory. Almost gave me a heart attack trying to fit this together. So the way you display this is, you see the little chest pieces, that shows you which way she's facing. Well, that's just like the front. Like this card in the middle should be like directly in front, I think. So this is how I'm going to display it. Like that. Voila. Finally, the main event, the big Zui. I like Zui over here. And let's open her. I just pulled off her entire bottom half. I didn't know it came off. Oh my gosh, Zui, I'm so sorry. Let me fix that for you. Oh, you're supposed to pull it off so that you can attach all her like mecha stuff. Okay, let's see here. There's oh my god. So you remember the Shiro model, they had like A, B, C. This is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Jesus, there's like the freaking entire alphabet. Here is the Zui model after a lot of struggling because of these wireframes, which I am not even going to bother messing with for now. But she's got her super ion cannon over there and her chest piece, and she looks marvelous. Look at all the volume of hair. Looks amazing, dude. I know you guys are looking at her butt. Pervs. So yet again, my camera ran out of batteries, even with an external charger. This is Zui in all her glory, fully made. And of course, we've got some freebies over here. Got Riku and Korone. And yeah, this was by far the hardest one to make. Mainly because the wireframes, you see these little wire thingies? They're flexible. So you can like adjust them to however you want them to fit. So you can see over here that like twirling that around her leg was dang hard to do. Because I'm not artistic at all, and I'm horrible at this stuff. But this will just have to do. And so there we go. We've got Zui, her ion cannon, everything. And let's see the entire party from here. We've got, you know, Aqua with her fiery punch. Got Shiro with her cell phone. Got another Aqua. And we've got Shiro over here. This Shiro was a lot easier to make than this Zui over here. But this Zui has a lot more volume. Like you can tell she's a lot bigger than Shiro. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing of everything. I'm going to be putting this on display. You'll probably catch it on my live streams. You'll probably be able to see them in the background somewhere. And that's it guys. So thanks for watching. If you do like my content, please do subscribe. It really does help out my channel a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
What can I say except you're welcome?